Alright, so tonight Ilife a4s are finished clean up everywhere. So I'm gonna take this off and now turn this power switch off, and I'm gonna show you how it picked up. Wow, did you see that? It picked up pretty quickly all by itself. So it makes my life so much better because tech. Now let's dip this out. All right. Alright, now I'm gonna turn this upside down. And look what picked up a hair. It goes all over the hallway. And the Ilife a4s robot vacuum cleaners picked up pretty good. And that's all for the result.